What's up, everybody? So you ever chill out with a few people that are like, I'm not drunk? They're like, kind of Mortal Kombat, fatality stage. Well, this is for all those people that I get enjoyment out of, because when I'm not fucked up, I get to see them fucked up, I guess. Shout out to Rugby 721. I believe that's you, buddy. Hope you're feeling better out the hospital. I don't know what verse I can do, but the stuff that you always ask me to do is like a bunch of beers I can do in 10 minutes. Sounds illegitimate, man. I chug and I'm done. Oh my gosh. That sucks. My brother's kind of pissed now because I'm in his room. Alright, everybody. So here's to making messes and saying that I'm fucking up. So the message here is when some shotgunning doesn't work and it's your fourth video, don't shotgun the beer. Cheers.